Hi, I'm Cassie. And I'm Kelsey, and this is the digestive system. What is the digestive system? The digestive system is a group of organs working together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients to feed the entire body. It extends from the mouth to the anus, which is 9 meters, which is 29 feet in length. The digestive system works very closely with the circulatory system to get the absorbed nutrients distributed throughout your body. Terms: taste buds are found in many papillas. Hepatitis is liver inflammation caused by varieties of factors like toxin, bacteria, virus, hepatitis A, B, and C, and parasites. Enzymes are protein molecules that act as catalysts speeding up chemical reactions. Mechanical digestives, chewing, swallowing, and peristalsis breaks food into tiny particles, mix them well with digestive juices, and move them along the digestive tract. Constipation is a result from decreased intestinal motility. Absorption: digested food moves from intestines into blood or lymph. Uvula and soft palates prevents food and liquid from entering nostril cavities. Lumen is a hollow space within the sub of digestive tract. Malabsorption syndrome is a group of symptoms resulting from failure to absorb nutrients properly. Common biles are formed by unions of hepatic and cytic ducts and drain biles from hepatic or cytic ducts into duodenum. Organs in the digestive system. Food begins its journey through the digestive system in the mouth. Inside the mouth are many accessory organs that aid in the digestion food. Teeth chomps food into small pieces, which are moistened by saliva before the tongue and other muscles push the food into the pharynx. The stomach acts as a storage tank for food so that the body has time to digest large meals properly. The stomach also contains hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes that continue the digestion of food that begins in the mouth. After the stomach is the small intestine. The entire small intestine is coiled like a hose, and the inside surface is full of many ridges and folds. These folds are used to maximize the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. By the time food leaves the small intestine, around 90% of all nutrients have been extracted from the food that entered it. The liver has many different functions in the body, but the main function of the liver in digestion is the production of bile. It secretes into the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and contains small semibiotic bacteria that aid in the breaking down of waste to extract some small amount of nutrients. Feces in the large intestine exits the body through the anal canal. Disorder that occurs. A peptic ulcer is an open sore that results when sensitive tissue in the digestive tract is exposed to acid. Peptic ulcers are typically found in the stomach and duodenum, but can also less commonly occur in the esophagus. GERD results when the LES is weakened and not functioning properly, thus allowing the backflow or reflux of gastric juices into the esophagus. Appendicitis. The appendix is a small, worm-shaped pouch extending from the beginning of the large intestines. Appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix that occurs when it becomes infected and filled with pus. Urinary tract infection. About 95% of the UTIs involve the lower urinary tract. Lower urinary tract infections are also called cystitis. UTIs are 4 times more common in women than in men. This is because women have a shorter urethra, which allows bacteria to spread easily to the bladder. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are hardened material found inside the kidneys and more made of crystallized mineral and salt. They can occur anywhere along the urinary tract between the kidney and the bladder and varies in shapes and size. Some are large as a golf ball. Main cause is a lack of fluid. Passing a stone can be painful and may even require surgery. Methods used to assess the function. A stool culture check for the presence of abnormal bacteria in the digestive tract that may cause diarrhea and other problems. A small sample of stool is collected and sent to a lab by your healthcare provider office. In 2 or 3 days, the test will show whether abnormal bacteria are present. Fecal occult blood or fecal immunochemical test. This test checks for hidden blood in the stool. A small amount of stool is placed on a special card. The stool is then tested in the healthcare provided office or sent to a lab. Thank you for watching!